In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing step by step, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can promote your affiliate links for free using free traffic, and so much more. Okay, so as you can see in my balance over here, I have $5,125 in my balance available right now. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission. I'm still promoting affiliate links, and this is what I share in this YouTube channel. I share with you videos about how to start affiliate marketing and about YouTube automation and how we can start faceless YouTube channel. Okay, anyway, so in this video we will talk about affiliate marketing. So it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today, and I'm still promoting affiliate links, still getting more commission, and that's it. So for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. As you can see, it's super easy. It will take just few minutes from your time. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Okay, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, so why I choose Pinterest, let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? 1 billion people are visiting Pinterest every single month. Okay, millions of people are scrolling on Pinterest every single day. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest, of course, if you do it correctly with those methods that I will share with you. Okay, as you can see, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. Okay, so anyways, so what you will do next, you will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage and search for. So now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, click on the search and search for Amazon ads. Okay, search for Amazon ads. So why I choose this service? Because a lot of people who has Amazon stores, they are using Pinterest to promote their products. Okay, those people who are using Pinterest to promote Amazon products and get more sales, they will be interested to buy this service and to grow their Instagram, their Amazon stores, get more sales and make more money. Okay, those people will be interested to try this service. Okay, that's why I choose this service. So I want you to pay attention again. Make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, this one. As you can see, this one is top rated seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next is you just need, so let me delete this, you just need to copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, okay, and click over here and add and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. So what you need to do next, you need to upload a picture about this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, to this seller profile home page, scroll down and you should see over here about this gig, and you have here a picture. Click on this picture and you have, so this is a video, but you can click here, okay, and you will find picture. So this is the picture. You can also use video if you want. So for me, you will just use picture, double click, save image, okay, and they will name it Amazon ads. Okay, also if you use video, it will be really better. It will just take more time, but let me show you. Go and click on the video like this.
Are you experiencing low sales?
And double click, and you can click over here on save video. Okay, because video can converge more than picture. Video can make people buy. Okay, picture also will, for pictures also are converting, but videos are better. Okay, so if you want to use video, click on save video and save this video to your laptop and go to Pinterest, click over here and upload the video or picture that you want. So for me, I will use just picture, this picture like this, open. Okay, and here you go, your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So title, just go back to this seller profile page, copy his title, go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description, go back to this seller profile page and scroll down and you should see about this gig. Click on more and this is his description. Okay, copy this description. I will copy this part. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Click over here on choose a board, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. It's super easy to make. Okay, and you can create as many as you want. I have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down, click over here and you need to put here tags, keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, go to related tags and copy those keywords. Okay, those keywords are very important like this, and I will copy this one. Go to Pinterest and put these keywords here and they will go and I will copy this one. So make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, paste and after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and that's it. And here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, So that's how this business works. That's how we can start affiliate marketing with Fiverr affiliates as a beginner, using free traffic without investing any money. And of course, you need to stay consistent. Okay, if you want to succeed, if you want to succeed on in affiliate marketing, you need to stay consistent and promote affiliate links every single day. Okay, if you have new Pinterest accounts, promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you promote a lot of affiliate links per day with new account, your account will get banned, okay? Your account will be blocked. So promote just 1 and 2, and after a few weeks, then you can start promoting a lot, up to 5, 7 affiliate links per day. So you can increase your chance to get commission. If you need and commission plan and how much time it will take you to get your first commission, it's depending on your work. And of course, you don't need to use just Pinterest. Feel free to check my other videos. I show you how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and so much more for free, of course. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.